Okay guys, so I have my Galaxy S5 here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a swimming pool test, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show it the front-facing camera as well as the back-facing. So right now it's the front-facing. I can see myself, and I'm going to go into the water, and I'm also going to be speaking to see if you can hear me in audio mode, and yeah, and I'm also going to see with the back-facing camera if I can zoom in and out underwater. Of course you can't do that front-facing, like right now I cannot zoom in and out, but so let's go ahead. Let me show you this view first. Check this out. I'm in Bangkok, Thailand at the Labua Hotel where they filmed Hangover Part 2. Anyways, let's get the distance. I was saying Bangkok, baby. Bangkok. Let me do it again, see if you can hear me. But anyways, I just went down about 5 feet under. Let's try it again. I'm gonna say Bangkok, baby, right? Whew, okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch the phone, the camera to the other side, so I'll be showing the back-facing side, and now also zooming out, and I'll be speaking as well.